Hello and welcome to this checkmate into chess puzzle from 1879. The black king can't move and white has the rook, queen and a couple of knights ready to move in. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in two? Moving your queen to a6 isn't a mate in two unless black does something like move their knight to c6, because then you can move the queen in for a checkmate in two. But instead, black can save the mate in two by moving their knight to b6. Then when you try and check the queen, they can block again with the other knight. Then you can mate in just three with the queen moved to c5. Moving your queen to a4 isn't a mate in two unless black does something like move their knight to c5, because then you can move in for the mate in two. Instead, black can move their knight to e5. And then when you check the king, you get blocked by the other knight, and it's only a mate in three, similar to the last one. Moving the queen to g1 won't get you a mate in two unless black removes the protection from the d4 square. Instead, though, black can just move in the other knight. And then you can get a mate in three by sliding the rook across. Then after the knight takes back all the king moves, you can move the queen in for just the mate in three. Moving your knight to c6 won't get you a mate in two unless black decides to take the queen with their knight. So then you can move your knight to b4 to do the mate. Instead, the black king can just take your knight. Now, if you try and checkmate with the queen, the black king has escape squares. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in two for white, you need to advance the f pawn. If the black knight takes your queen, you can move your rook to d4 to do the checkmate in two. If black decides to take your rook with their king, you can then move your queen to h1 to do the checkmate in two. If black moves their knight to c5, you can move your rook to e5 to do the mate. If the black knight on b3 moves anywhere else, you can still move the rook to d4 to get the checkmate in two. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.